How to factory reset your Owlet sock base station. So first of all, you have this. You can unplug the Owlet base station from the power and then remove the sensor or the sock from the base station. So you'll have it separate, and then while still holding the button, which is this over here, keep holding the button until you hear 4 chirps and the light ring starts blinking orange. When that happens, release the button, and while the light ring is still blinking, press the base station button 3 times quickly. Then just wait for the base station to chirp 3 times back. Check that the Wi-Fi light on the bottom is turned off, which means the Wi-Fi reset worked. And then just open the Owlet app and reconnect the base station to Wi-Fi using the setup or change Wi-Fi option. If you are trying to unpair the sock sensor, press the base station 2 times instead of 3 after the orange blinking light. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.